Akshay Kumar, Jacqueline Fernandez, and Siddharth Malhotra promoted their film Brothers by congratulating the graduated women at Self Defense Center. They spoke about the importance of female education and self-defense in our country and also spoke about their movie.
आज इनका ग्रेजुएशन डे है, आज इनको इनके सर्टिफिकेट्स मिलते हैं। एक एक लड़की का मतलब मैं ये बता सकता हूँ कि इनके अंदर जब कॉन्फिडेंस आता है तो हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता है। आज के ज़माने में मैं तो यही चाहता था कि लड़कियाँ कभी मार्शल आर्ट की ट्रेनिंग इनको कभी ज़रूरत ना पड़े, because it should be a country where girls can walk around free, but there are some few elements, some people जिनकी वजह से आज इनको सेल्फ डिफेंस की ट्रेनिंग लेनी पड़ती है।
So I honestly am so glad, first of all, that you're doing this, and that also the media is helping us create awareness for this, because it is something that is definitely growing a lot of attention, and I think you guys can all agree that you're so happy that there's a place that you can come to. I myself know nothing about self-defense, which is why this is really inspiring me that you guys have come here and you've taken the initiative to protect yourselves and become stronger. I think, like you had said, it's about confidence. I think because we aren't aware of our physical ability, we're not very confident about how to approach situations, and that can of course only come through strength and learning the art and the techniques of self-defense. So I'm really great. I'm so glad that you guys have inspired more girls to come here and learn, and I myself will be one of them.
Well, बहुत मज़ा आया देख के कि they told us their stories कि कैसे जब एक सिचुएशन में होते हैं जहाँ उनको डर लगता है, वहाँ पे अब इनको इस वर्कशॉप के बाद कॉन्फिडेंस मिलता है। मैंने सबके पास देखा एक चाबी है और एक विसल है, तो जब हाथ मिलाओ तो आई थिंक ये बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग और प्रैक्टिकल चीज़ है कि आप एक कैसे चाबी को वेपन यूज़ कर सकते हैं और सीटी अगर आप चिल्ला नहीं सकते। So these are very practical and small tricks that you can use that they feel safe in Mumbai, and I think it's commendable that both of them are initiating this, and as you can see how excited and confident they are today. So hopefully ऐसे बहुत सारी लड़कियाँ ट्रेनिंग करेंगी और लड़के डरेंगे या उल्टा हो जाएगा कुछ सालों में।
We need to tell them. अजून एक महत्त्वाची गोष्ट म्हणजे more than 3000 girls have been trained. ह्याच्यात मेन मोटिव्ह जो समोरून अटॅक करतो त्याला तिथे मारून पाडणं नाही, पण मारून एस्केप करणं हे सगळ्यात खूप महत्त्वाचं आहे. तर आपण इथे फाईट नाही करत आहे, सेल्फ डिफेन्स अँड रन अवे, दॅट्स व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. म्हणून ह्याच्यामुळे एक महत्त्वाचं मोटिव्ह असं आहे की कुठलीही मुलगी न घाबरता कुठेही जाऊ शकते. आणि जसं तुम्ही बघता ह्या सगळ्या स्वतःचे कपडे घालून येतात, त्या कपड्यांमध्ये इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी टू फाईट इन कराटे क्लोथ्स, not necessary to defend yourself in karate clothes. Whatever you're wearing, wherever you are, at whatever time, no girl should be afraid to roam around the streets. That's the motive behind it. So, essentially asking me who from Bollywood should also play my grandfather. No, I don't only look at him as a leader, but my grandfather. So that, I don't know, I need to look at. I do not want to put the movie into any issues with me suggesting any actor right now.